Hello YouTube. I thought I'd tell you about an update to the website. It's now fully hand coded by myself. It's not done in WordPress or anything like that. And as you can see that by the way the CSS is. And this is a PHP include as it's programmed completely in PHP, apart from a few of the old pages which are still accessible. I'm just not going to say where, but if I click here, for example, you can see all about the history of the website. Because I've been making software and websites for the last 5 years, in about 2 months. Of course, I've got a copyright page. You can look at this yourself. But the most interesting feature of the website that I've added is a new YouTube site. For example, you can see here we've got the YouTube site, but you can learn about the adverts. So you can look at recommended channels, and you can click on the Windows in, the year's website. If we click on that, we have a start menu here, and you have options for different versions of Windows. And this is done using an image map. If we click on Windows 95, we have a Windows 95 page. And this is a new website that I've made for this. Now, not all these links work yet, but they will soon. Another thing I've done for YouTube is the MS Fan Hub program. Now, this is just a website, but it's in a window, so you can get to it easy. So you get this window open once you've downloaded the program. You can download it from the YouTube page. You can come watch videos, and if you've got Adobe Flash, you'll be able to watch videos. Click on home. Some more recommended channels. Notice how it's like a scheme. And upcoming videos. They all have the same scheme. Watch videos, good channels, upcoming videos. But then behind the camera, how videos are edited and screen recording and so on, that has a different theme because it's like based on something else. And this was actually made today as it's client version 1.0, 2015. And client framework, so on. Now it's not just about the website I'd like to show you, it's about a program I've made it last week. It does require administrator privileges on Windows 7 and Vista, but because of how it works, we go to actions, more options, one anyway. We do need those privileges simply because of the fact I'd save a preview file to the system. So now if we go to the desktop, cancel that. What we need to do is click on Web Creator. So we'll click on Web Creator, and here we have the window. Now notice you'll get an error when you do this. That's because we're trying to save a copy of what's in the text area to a separate folder, to a separate file. So there's a backup of it. So we click on Run as Administrator. If I go, it will be built up because the fact that the rendering engine is stuck on IE7, and there's nothing I can do about that. That's what the rendering is. But notice how we have all the content. So now if we click on Preview, we get errors because this is based on Internet Explorer 7. And surprisingly, it's found the CSS. Yeah, this is the only page on the site that actually has CSS like that. So I edited this page in Web Creator. As you can see, it's 1.65.902. But if you click on these links, yeah, that's because of the script not being able to be loaded properly. And apart from that, this is IE7 rendering engine. But you can edit the code here and click Preview. Now, if we go to the Program Files directory, here we are. So I'll show you the MS Fan Hub files in a second, but going to it, we've got a couple of files. So example.wcp, last preview .wcp. That's when we click on Preview, and preview window.wcppr. That's also when we click on Preview. And that is a backup. But if we click on Welcome, this was a thing made in. Notice how the navbar's been built up because of how I'm doing it, but I'm putting the ad container instead of the header, because the header's got an image in it. But you can now edit HTML, and that's how my website will be made from now on, instead of using Dreamweaver. Oh well, I might as well show you the files for MS Fan Hub. Here's the program. It's a HTML application, simply because I couldn't get all on my other computer. In order to get Visual C, if I go and open with Notepad, you'll be able to see all the code for this program. Notice how it's all loading in library, res, and that just sets the screen resolution. And notice how we go into that website I showed you in the browser. In here we have the about page and on client for. Notice how we get this, and click on home, we go to the website. That's just the client. So I'll click on that. View res, that just sets the screen resolution of the window. So if I put that into a web browser and did that, it would set the screen resolution of the browser. For Internet Explorer only, of course. But apart from that, there's computer updates in there. There's mainly this Dell. I need to upgrade the RAM in it, but it's a bit of a pain to get hold of the RAM. It's a 3 GHz Intel Xeon 5160. Look at the Windows Experience rating. We have 6.4 for the processor, 6.4 for the RAM, 7.1 for the graphics, 7.1 for gaming and the hard drive, the highest score the hard drive can get, 5.9. So this is a fairly powerful computer. I don't know why my cursor is blinking when I'm recording, but it must have something to do with Camtasia Studio. But thank you for watching, and please subscribe and watch some other videos of mine.